doTERRA means gift of the earth. But how are we giving back? This Earth Day, discover the sustainability efforts that go into a bottle of doTERRA essential oil. In Italy, doTERRA sources citrus essential oils like bergamot and lemon in a zero-waste process. Every single part of the fruit is used, ensuring that from the peel to the core, nothing goes to waste. In Oman, doTERRA has funded research and created plant nurseries to cultivate Boswellia saplings to guarantee the future of frankincense sourcing. doTERRA has created over 5,000 farming jobs to source essential oils in Kenya and has planted 10 million trees and plants in the country. This number is planned to grow up to 30 million in the next 5 years. In New Zealand, Douglas fir is an invasive species. doTERRA has been working with the local government to reduce its spread by harvesting the trees before they can reproduce. For doTERRA, this provides a sustainable opportunity to extract Douglas fir essential oil while helping to preserve New Zealand's unique biodiversity. 32,500 wilding Douglas fir trees have been removed from the Queenstown region in the last 2 years. In both Australia and Kenya, the steamed tea tree biomass is applied back to the fields to prevent weed growth and deliver important nutrients to the soil. Kealakekua Mountain Reserve is the largest native forest planting effort in the state of Hawaii, with over 100,000 Hawaiian sandalwood trees planted in 2020 and 100,000 more coming in 2021. No trees are cut to produce black spruce essential oil during its production in Canada. The oil comes from the branches and needles wasted by the paper industry. The distillation facility is located next to a power plant, and they feed each other, creating a closed cycle with net zero environmental impact. All across the world, you are making an impact by choosing essential oils, which are sourced sustainably.